Hello students, welcome back to a video lecture series on concrete technology. I am Mohammad Yusuf Sheikh Amir, Assistant Professor. So this is the video lecture number 13 on the chapter cement. So these are the following points that we have discussed in the previous lecture, which are nothing but cement manufacturing process. So in that you have studied about what are the steps of manufacturing process of cement. In that you have seen wet process as well as dry process of manufacturing of an cement. So can anyone tell me the procedure of manufacturing of cement? Can anyone differentiate difference between wet process and dry process? So these are the contents which we'll going to discuss in this session, which are nothing but types of cement. In the previous lecture we have discussed about what do you mean by cement, and after that we have discussed about the chemical composition of cement, then Box compounds, then manufacturing of cement. Now let us move towards different types of cements. So what are the different types of cement? Most of among you know the different types of cement. First one is the ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening cement or high early strength cement, extra rapid hardening cement, sulfate resisting cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, Portland pozzolana cement, and Portland slag cement, high alumina cement, air entraining cement, super sulfated cement, machinery cement, expansive cement, colored cement. The last one is the white cement. In this lecture we will try to cover the seven types of cement. First 7 types of cement. In this session we will try to cover, or we will try to studies on those types. So let us move towards the first one. So before do that, students, can anyone enlist the different types of cement? Yes. So let us move towards the first one, ordinary Portland cement. So ordinary Portland cement, actually this is the first type of cement which is invented by a Joseph Aspdin in an England, which looks like a rocks Portland in an England. That's why it's named as Portland cement, and which is discovered in 1824. This is the most important type of cement, and because of that it has been classified into 3 categories, namely 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade of cement. The next one is rapid hardening cement. The name itself indicates rapid hardening, means the cement will get fast hardened, that is called as a rapid hardening cement. So in which content which box compounds that be needed to increase the hardening of cement. So to rapid increasing of cement, the amount, the contents, the percentage of C3S more as compared to the percentage of C2S. As you know, C3S and C2S are the box compounds that will causes quick hydration of an cement. The strength at early stage is due to finer grinding, as fineness of cement that will expose the greater surface area for the action of water. That's why it will increases the rapid hardening of an cement. And the strength that is obtained by using this cement in 3 days is same as that obtained by ordinary Portland cement in 7 days. So these are the characteristics, and the initial setting time of that cement is 30 minutes and 10 hours, and soundness test by Lee Chatterjee is 10 mm and by autoclave is 0.8%. It contains greater lime than the ordinary Portland cement. So the next is extra rapid hardening cement. So the extra rapid hardening cement, it is manufactured by intergrinding CaCl2 with rapid hardening cement. Means rapid hardening cement with CaCl2 you have to add, that will give extra rapid hardening cement. And the percentage of CaCl2 that should not be exceeded by 2% by the weight of rapid hardening cement. You should take care of that. The concrete which is made by using that extra rapid hardening cement should be transported, placed, compacted and finished within about 20 minutes, because the initial setting time of that cement is 20. That's why you have to place, transport and finish this type of concrete before 20 minutes. The strength of that extra rapid hardening cement is 25% higher than that of rapid hardening cement at 1 or 2 days. So students, can anyone explain about rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement and ordinary Portland cement? The next one, sulfate resisting cement. So this is the special type of cement. It is a modified form of ordinary Portland cement, and it is specially manufactured to resist the sulfates and to resist the sulfate attacks, especially in marine structures. This cement content have low percentage of C3A and higher percentage of C3S, and this type of cement require longer period of curing that is needed, and because of that the formwork is required for a longer duration. The strength developed by this sulfate resisting cement is low, but it is strong as compared to ordinary Portland cement. Means such type of cement develops strength slowly, but ultimately the strength of that cement is same as that of ordinary Portland cement. So students, can anyone define sulfate resisting cement? Yes. The next we have to move towards quick setting cement. As you know, the quick setting cement, the meaning itself gives quick setting, means the cement which sets quickly, that is called as a quick setting cement. So such type of cement is manufactured by adding small percentage of aluminum sulfate, which accelerate the setting action. Means that will increases the setting time of an cement, that will increases the heat of hydration. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि जैसा आपने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस में देखा था, इन द लास्ट स्टेप वी हम जिप्सम ऐड करते हैं और जिप्सम का काम होता है सेटिंग टाइम को रिड्यूस करना. सो जिप्सम कंटेंट इज आल्सो नीडेड इन दैट बट इन अ लेस अमाउंट. मतलब जिप्सम का काम होता है सेटिंग टाइम को कम करना. इस वजह से जिप्सम का कंटेंट और उसका प्रोपोर्शन क्विक सेटिंग सीमेंट में क्या रहेगा, कम रहेगा. इट विल सेट्स फास्टर देन ऑर्डिनरी पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट. As you are seeing here that it is a strange initial setting time is 5 minutes and final setting time is 30 minutes. As you know, the usual time of setting, initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time is 10 hours. But here quick setting cement have initial setting time only 5 minutes and final setting time is 30 minutes, and such type of cement is used for construction of water retaining structures where the setting requirement is less. So let us move towards the next, low heat cement. Low heat means that the heat of hydration of cement low, means the amount of evaporation of water should be low. To manufacture such type of cement, it requires low percentage of C3A and high percentage of C2S that will keep heat generation low, and very slow rate of developing strength as rate of C3S content is low. That will develop the strength slowly because the percentage of C3A and is less. So the heat evolved after 7 days is around 66 calorie per gram, and after 28 days 75 calorie per gram. Initial setting time, as you are seeing here, 1 hour, and final setting time 10 hours. Means here the initial setting time you have to increase, and such type of cement you may use where the transporting distance is large from the site and at the placement of an concrete. In that case you may use low heat cement for especially for construction of high rise building skyscrapers. And again it is better resistance to chemical attack than ordinary Portland cement because it hydrates slowly. So the next one, Portland Pozzolana cement. So the Portland Pozzolana cement that can be manufacturing by adding pozzolana, that is calcinite clay, surki and fly ash into a ordinary Portland cement, and such type of cement is called as Portland Pozzolana cement. That will produces less heat of hydration and it offers great resistance to attacks of sulfates. Especially such cement is used in marine works and mass concreting work like construction of dam where it can be used. Finally the ultimate strength of that Portland Pozzolana cement is more than the ordinary Portland cement, and it have low shrinkage on drying. as you know, the shrinkage problem is more in concrete. If you are using that Portland pozzolana cement, that will reduces the shrinkage problems, and it is also a water tightness, means the concrete should be considered as leak proof, and the leakage can be avoided especially on slabs by using Portland pozzolana cement. So students, hope you understand all those types of cement in a very well, and if anyone have doubt regarding the information which I have discussed here about different types of cement, you may ask. So anyone have question? Yes. So these are the some expected questions of this session. First one, enlist different types of cement and explain the following types of cement. First one, ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening cement, or you may call it as a high early strength cement, extra rapid hardening cement, sulfate resisting cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, and Portland pozzolana cement. So these are the questions, and I think this is sufficient for to this session, and we will try to cover, or we will try to study the different types of cement in the next video lecture. So I stop here. Thank you.